Hello. In this section, we'll see about media queries in CSS. Media queries is to adjust the layout based on different device sizes, such as desktop, laptops, mobiles, and tablets. So, based on the device width and height, it rearranges the layout of web pages. So, let's create first some elements. So let's have some element here. We have a div element that is having a class of container, and it contains inside three elements. Div having class of row, let's give it of div, and let's copy this, simply having three rows, and item 1, the second one, or item 2, and item 3, and let's have some styles. Here we put for the container having a display of flex and the flex direction to become row, and background color of blue violet. And for the items, that is dots container dot row, we will have the width of simply 33%, that is, or 32%. Let's give it such a width, and having background color of, let's say, some azure pink, and font size of 20 pixels, having padding of 20 pixels. And for the container, let's add a padding of 10 pixels. Now, if you see the container, we see these items. So let's add some margin or around the container. So margin to be 10 pixels for each. And the item looks like this one. And let's give some height. Height for the items, 200 pixels each. And text align center to align the items to the center. So here is the elements. Now I want to make that the box to hold 100% when it becomes to mobile size devices. So in order to make that, we use the media query property. So in order to apply that, we simply use the add then media property. Then we can say screen, since we are using for display screens, and having maximum width of let's say 600 pixels. So on all devices having 600 pixels, and below the container, for example, the container class flex direction becomes column, and the background color, if you need background color, you can also change that to aqua. Now it is blue violet, the container background color. Now if I resize this one to refresh it, so as you see, the background color becomes aqua, and it takes only it changes the direction to vertically. Now if I want to make the container, then the row items, which is the child elements, to hold the 100% width of 100%. I can change that, and to change the background color to blue violet, for example. The items take the blue violet. Now if I refresh it, as you see, the items take the blue violet. Now let's change some of the elements. For example, here let's adjust only to take 95%. If I mix that, we get correct one. Now, on devices that is greater than 600 pixels, it is row level. For devices less than or equal to 600, it changes to vertical alignment. So in this way, we can arrange items on our screen. So we can create layouts, website layouts that is arranged based on the device width. That is how we use grid items in our web page. That's how we use media queries for our web page. Thank you.